5 ways to keep your tooth enamel strong. Enamel is the hard outer layer that protects the tooth's crown. It is also your body's first line of defense against tooth decay. Aside from regular dental checkups every 6 months, here are 5 ways you can care for and protect your enamel as part of a good oral hygiene routine. Brush your teeth with Pronamel toothpaste using a soft bristled toothbrush. Pronamel is specially designed to help strengthen tooth enamel and protect it against the effects of enamel erosion due to dietary acids. Be sure to brush twice a day and use a soft bristled toothbrush to help reduce enamel wear. Floss regularly. It's important to floss regularly to help remove plaque from the areas between your teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. This helps keep your teeth and gums healthy. Try not to brush your teeth immediately after meals. Wait 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after a meal and use Pronamel toothpaste to give your teeth protection against the effects of everyday acids such as salad dressing and tomatoes. Drink acidic beverages through a straw. Drinking through a straw helps push the liquid to the back of your mouth and away from your teeth. Hydrate with water. Drinking water helps rinse away dietary acids and is especially important if you have a low saliva volume. Saliva helps to neutralize acidity and remineralize tooth enamel, so if you aren't producing enough, your risk of enamel erosion increases.